the best Christmas present in the world. Michael Morpurgo is the author of the story The Best Christmas Present in the World. This story is based on the war between British and German in 1914. The author found a roll-top disc in a junk shop. It was in a bad condition but cheap. He thought that he could restore it. So he bought it. He began to work on it in Christmas Eve. He found a letter in its drawer. He read the letter. It was from Jim Macpherson to his wife Connie as written off top. After reading the letter, he found that Jim Macpherson was the leader of the England army. And he described that England and Germany were engaged in a war, but on the Christmas morning a wonderful thing happened. First, German wishes Happy Christmas to English soldier, and same response was given by English also. The leaders shared their ideas and feelings with each other and celebrated Christmas by eating, laughing, talking and drinking. After that, they played football match in which Germany owns. In the night, both troops went back, sang carols and had a peaceful Christmas. The author decided to give this letter to Jim's wife. He went to the address which was written on the letter envelope, where he found that an accidental fire caught in the house and she was in nursing home. He rushed to the nursing home where he found Jim's wife. As she was grown too old in the waiting of his husband, he mistook the author by understanding him as Jim, his husband, when narrator met him. She declared him as the best Christmas present in the world. Theme of the story. It talks about brotherhood and universal bonhomie, the need of world peace, power of togetherness, happiness, sharing and caring brings to our life, about true love lost forever. It also teaches very important lesson. War brings sadness and humiliation. Moral of the story. The story Best Christmas Present in the World has beautifully depicted the moral lesson. One should follow the path of peace for attaining happiness in the world. The war brings death and sadness around the world. There are much better ways of resolving differences. Violence should never be the first solution for everything. Both soldiers of different countries don't want to fight on Christmas Day. They want to solve their problems without fighting on the day. They enjoyed the Christmas Day in no man's land and played football. They found a sportive solution to the problem. They gave us one more moral, that sports are the best way to solve the problem. Narrator did not told that lady that he was not her husband, because if he told the truth, the happiness would go away from the lady's face and she would become sad again. This story shows one more moral. Making someone is the best present. Thank you.